So as you can see, guys, this is where it all starts. So the whole process to raise this broiler chicken takes about 6 weeks. And in this brooder, as you can see, the chickens takes about 2 weeks, and then they are moved into what is called a chicken tractor. A chicken tractor is a moving chicken house, and it is moved every day. So this house can actually house about 70 to 75 chickens. So as you can see, they are eating the feed there, but also they eat the grass. So this is amazing. So every day, this house, it's a moving house. Every day, this house is being moved. So that is the case. Yeah, so the chickens are enjoying themselves. It's just hot now, as you can see for them. Yeah, so the chicken tractors are made in different forms. It all depends on what you want and what works for you. So specifically, this one is a triangle chicken tractor. So there is a bucket here outside, and this is where he puts the water so that the water can go into a drinker. So you can only refill this bucket outside once the water is finished or when he sees it is going low. So the other thing that I want to say is the reason why the chicken tractor is moved every day is that to prevent the use of vaccines and medicine, that the chickens can be healthy once they are moved every day. They have moved it up to there, and you can see it came from that side, and they took it the other side and then brought it. They are starting to bring it back now. You can see the difference between grass. This is the grass here, and this is the grass where it is coming from. So they are eating every day. They are eating from this grass, which is very nice. And yeah. Procedure. Yeah. I am first cleaning the drinker a bit. Take out the feeder. So before he can move the house, he has to remove these feeders. Here's the dolly that I will stick under the pen. The pen is lifted up. So why moving this thing? So we move them every day so that the chickens move out of their own poop. Oh, okay. That is the most important principle. Okay. You see in creation, there's no animal want to sit in its own poop. Yeah. The parasites that make it sick. Okay. So sure. Yeah, every day they are moved to a new place, and they have clean pasture, although this is not yet proper pasture, but yeah, we'll get there. Okay. And then the rain and the sun will deal with whatever. So they eat also grass, is it? Yes, they eat greens. Oh, nice. Grass and whatever leaves. And they get some sunlight. They get fresh air. Things don't stink here. So the air pipes are also just healthy, not infected. Okay. And therefore, in that way, you can actually keep broiler chickens without giving them any medicine.
Oh,
So
okay. Wow.
the meat quality is just so much better with that.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Sure.
yeah, then the last thing is just to fill up the water. Now because the chickens are now just few, the water consumption is not so much.
Just add in there, so the water drips by itself.
Yeah,
and they
just
drink it.
indeed, just the automatic drinker.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
So
On that side. But now at least I can see my chicken, you know? It's much better.
this is a nice one. So you would think you were pulling from this thing, but you pull from the other side.
No, this side chicken will not come out.
This side.
Yeah, when they are small, they can come out. But no.